All right, let's quickly fix that annoying network changed error in your Chrome or Edge browser. We've all seen this exact message pop up and suddenly interrupt our browsing. So frustrating, right? Basically, this happens when Windows automatically switches networks because your main connection dropped. So here are 5 direct steps to permanently fix this connection issue. Step 1, let's stop Windows from jumping between Wi-Fi networks. Start by clicking your network icon. Now, just click on any other available network connection that you aren't currently using. Make sure to uncheck the Connect Automatically box. This stops Windows from switching without permission. Moving to step 2, log into your router's admin page at 192.168.0.1, then click Reboot. If you can't log in, just power it off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Step 3 fixes a corrupted DNS. Hit Start, type in Command Prompt, and open it up. Type exactly this, ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter, and then reboot your system. Step 4 tackles unstable VPNs or proxies, which often cause that rapid, unwanted network changing. Simply open your VPN app and click Disconnect or Deactivate. This really helps stabilize things. Finally, Step 5 fixes a stuck adapter. Press the Start key plus I to open settings. From there, navigate to Network and Internet and click right over to the Status page. Next, click Change Adapter Options to view your network adapters inside the control panel. Find your active network adapter, right-click it, and go ahead and select Disable. Right-click it one more time, select Enable, and give your computer a complete reboot. Your browser should be fixed now. Which of these 5 steps finally restored your connection?